Good morning everyone, especially to you sir. And today I will make an introduction video including answer the given questions. Number 1. What is your goal in life? Give at least one. My main goal is to become a professional who develops accessible low-cost electrical safety system for small business and household in rural of urban poor communities across the Philippines, helping prevent electrical fires and accidents that often stem from outdated or improperly installed wiring. Number 2 is, what drastic improvement to yourself would you do this semester or to achieve that given goals in life, or defend your answer. I will fully develop my skills in electrical safety code compliance and practical system design for low-income settings, including materials local regulation like Philippine Electrical Code, and learning to create simplified, affordable safety solutions. While basic electrical courses cover safety principles that often focus on large-scale or commercial system, not the unique challenge or resource limit environments using second-hand component safety, adapting design to unstable voltage supplies. This semester, I will study past and certain exam for Philippine Electrical Code PEC Basics. Number 2, partner with a local community organization to conduct safety audits of small. Number 3, design 2 to 3 low-cost safety prototypes like simplified surge protector or overload arms using locally available materials. Number 3, what do you think is the importance of these subjects in achieving your goals? The importance of technology research is essential to achieving my goal of developing accessible electrical safety system for understanding Philippine communities, because it provides the structured framework needed to turn ideas into effective evidence-based solutions. Here why it matters. Research methodology, it teaches me how to systematically identify specific safety challenge in target communities, common causes of electrical accidents, in example in sari-sari stores, through surveys, data collection, and literature reviews, ensuring my design address actual needs rather than assumption. Feasibility and validation, the subject covers how to test prototypes, analyze results, and refine solution based on real world feedback. This is critically for creating low-cost systems that work reliably with local resources and conditions. Ethics and stakeholders engagement, it emphasizes how work responsible with communities obtain informed consent and ensure solutions are culturally appropriate and sustainable, key to build trust and making long-term impacts. Documentation and dissemination, I learned to communicate findings clearly to both technical expert and non-technical stakeholders like community leaders or local governments, helping to advocate for an scale-up effective safety system.